The objective within this lesson is to divide a unit fraction by a whole number. Nolan gives some pans of brownies to his 3 friends to share equally. If he has 3 pans of brownies, how many pans of brownies will each friend receive? Let's write a division problem to solve that. We have 3 divided by 3 equals 1. Each friend will receive 1 pan of brownies. In the problem now, I have erased 3 pans of brownies and replaced it with 1 pan of brownies. Imagine that Nolan has 1 pan of brownies and he gave it to his 3 friends to share equally. What portion of the brownies will each friend receive? We have 1 divided by 3, which equals 1/3 of a pan of brownies. Nolan started out with how many pans of brownies? Right, 1. And the 1 pan of brownies is divided equally by how many friends? Right, 3 friends. So 1 divided by 3 is equal to 1/3. If we were to run a check for that problem, it would be 1/3 times 3, which equals 1. Now we replaced 1 pan of brownies with half a pan of brownies. Now imagine that he only has half of a pan, still sharing them with 3 friends equally. How many pans of brownies will each friend receive? Will each friend receive more or less than 1/3 of a pan? Right, less than 1/3 of a pan. Let's draw a tape diagram. That's equal to 1/2. And then we're dividing it by 3. And when we do that, we have 1/6. Write out a division sentence. 1/2 divided by 3 is equal to 1/6. One half is equivalent to 3/6, so that's really 3/6 divided by 3 is equal to 1/6. These 3/6 divided by 3 does equal 1/6. Each friend receives 1/6 of a pan of brownies. Here we have 1/5 divided by 2. Let's draw a tape diagram to show this work. Divide it into fifths first. And then we're taking that fifth and we're dividing it by 2. So we now have, instead of fifths, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We have tenths. How many tenths are in 1/5? There's 2 tenths in 1/5. 2 tenths divided by 2 is equal to 1/10. 1/5 is equal to 2 times what? 2 times 1/10. If Melanie pours 1/2 liter of water into 4 bottles, putting an equal amount in each, how many liters of water will be in each bottle? How many liters of water does Melanie have? Right, she has half a liter of water. And half a liter is being poured into how many bottles? Right, 4 bottles. So to solve this equation, what do? We divide 1/2, and we're dividing it by 4. We could draw 1/2 and to cut it into 4 equal parts. We can also think of 1/2 is equal to 4 times blank. Let's draw 1/2 and then divide it into 4 equal parts. There's half, and then we're dividing into 4 equal parts. So we've now gone to what? Do you see eighths? 1/2 does equal 4 times an eighth? Yes, it is. And 1/2 divided by 4 equals 1/8. There's 1/8 liters of water in each bottle. Does that make sense? Let's add 4 1/8s together, because it's 1/8 times 4 does equal 4/8, which I can simplify to 1/2.